In this video, I will show you one of the ways how you can deactivate the admin email verification in WordPress. And for the purpose of this example, I'll be using this free plugin, to which I will leave the link in the video description. So at first, let me log into my admin account. And for now, let's just click Remind Me Later. And then let's hover on plugins, click on Add New Plugin. Then in search, just type AIMS Infosoft. Now look for this specific plugin, make disable admin email verification. Now go ahead and install and activate it. Then hover on Settings, then select General, then scroll all the way to the bottom. Now right in here, there should be an option to disable the admin email verification. All you have to do is just enable this option and then save the changes. Now moving forward, if you log into your WordPress admin account, you will not be presented with the admin verification notice. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. Hope you found this tip helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.